Hello, and thanks for tuning in again. Getting ready to head over to the shop, and I'm gonna take the resonator off of my intake on my Duramax, and we'll see if that gives me a little bit more turbo noise inside the cab. Pretty simple, straightforward job, but I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it. It's not a whole lot to. So I'll show you guys a little bit of what I'm gonna do here. On the Duramax, it has this nice little 6.6 turbo diesel cover on it. Actually, what that actually is a resonator to kind of deaden the noise inside the cab. If you're a diesel enthusiast, you're going to want that thing off of there so that you hear as much turbo as possible. I'm sure there is a point to where you get too much turbo noise, but this thing is not stock anymore, so I really want to hear a little more turbo. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that thing off where if you take this bolt right here and unscrew that from down there, and then there's some hose clamps up there on that cover, and what we're going to do is we're going to install a plug, like a I'm not sure what kind of plug I'm going to put in there yet. I haven't quite decided on that. Something that I have here in the shop that'll fit, but I'll put a plug in there, and that should give us a little bit more of a turbo noise inside the cab. So anyway, let's get started on that. Shouldn't take too long. Basically what you're going to need for tools: straight screwdriver, and it's going to be a T30 Torx bit. Okay everyone, this is what it looks like once we're done. That'll plug that off. We should keep good clean air going in through there. So okay, I'll show you what this looks like. So basically, now that we have it off of there, we've got a hole that we need to plug. That's going to be after your air filter, so you absolutely do not want that hole to be open like that, unless you want to rebuild your Duramax in the next month or so. So we'll need to find something to plug that, and I don't have anything in mind just yet. What would be the best would be a plug, like a pipe plug with a rubber coupler that you can just use hose clamps on, but not sure that we have something like that here at the shop, but I'm going to see what I can find. Hopefully I can find something, and I'll update you here pretty soon. Okay, I'm taking the thing on a little test spin after I took that intake resonator out. There's maybe a little bit more turbo noise, but it's not a whole lot. But hey, every little bit helps.